Off the northeastern coast of mainland Palawan lies the Calamian group of islands, which are comprised of 4 large mountainous forested islands: Busuanga, Calawit, Culion, Coron, and about 95 smaller ones. Coron, the main town in the area, is situated on Busuanga, a natural fortress of sheer limestone cliffs. In Coron, glance out of the tiny window of your aircraft and you'll be blown away. Below, you will see an expanse of vivid greens against softer-hued fields, hills, trees, and rocks. Blessed with a variety of natural wonders and scenic spots, both inland and underwater, a visitor will be surprised with what this little island has to offer. Tourism in Coron is well developed, with sleek, environmentally sensitive resorts competing for the higher end of the market and well-organized operators offering diving and kayak tours. Enchantingly, the island remains natural, with no permanent structures usually associated with popular tourist destinations in the country. But more than its wonderful natural features, Coron Island is also an important cultural site in the Philippines because it is the ancestral domain of the Tagbanwa, one of the indigenous tribes in Palawan. In fact, this is precisely the reason why the island remains free from commercial establishments, such as privately owned beach resorts, since the Tagbanwas are the sole owner of the whole island, including its surrounding coastal waters, by virtue of a certificate of ancestral domain title awarded to the tribe by the National Council of Indigenous People. In lieu of this biodiverse feature, Coron Island has a very high potential for ecotourism. In fact, it is one of the priority areas under the Sustainable Tourism Development of Palawan.
Sustainable development is meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of the future generations. We minimize use of carbon, we minimize use of plastics, we respect the local culture, communities, and we practice yung sustainable use ng mga resources. Tinitignan namin lagi yung tatlong component, environment, social, economic. So when we take care of environment, napakayaman ng resources natin, mapapackage natin, mamamarket natin yung lugar ng maganda. Una, it will supply our primary needs. Pangalawa, kapag na-protect natin environment, nagkakaroon tayo sa marine protected areas. Ang community, kapag marunong mag-handle ng resources like marine protected areas, ang kanilang huhulihin sa buffer zone lang. May disiplina. So, dadami yung isda. Magkakaroon ng supply. Tested na yung gantong formula na if you protect the core zone, yung spillover yung makukuha ng community. And there comes the third factor, yung economic. Diba? Magbe-benefit na yung local economy. Resources, inalagaan ng community na enough yung kanilang needs. And then later on, may surplus sila. They can sell it. They can trade it. Doon yung economic benefit. So, kapag na-harmonize natin, naging maganda yung pag-handle, pag-manage ng tatlong factors na yon, no doubt, sustainable development follows.